Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope that you all are fine. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Ramadan is going on. Are you fasting? Yes, it's very good that you are trying. We have to practice because when you will be grown-ups, you'll have to fast for the whole of month. So it's good that you are trying. Are you practicing at home? Yes? Alhamdulillah. It's very good that you are practicing at home. As you can't come to the school, you have to practice. Because without practicing, you are going to forget everything. So we need to practice always. Without practicing, yes, no one can be a good student. Yes, very good. So, now, so that you can practice properly at home, we are here with online classes. I am your Rupa Miss, Class 3, Sector 7, here with my online class. Welcome you all to my online class. Let's see what is there today in my class. Let's see. Today our topic is division word problem. That means we are going to solve word problems from the chapter division. So you go and bring your maths book, copy and pen. Okay. Have you taken your copy? Okay, fine. Now let's start. Today we are going to solve problem from page number 69. As we are going to solve word problem, first of all, we will know what is word problem. We already know what is word problem because when we solve problems from addition, subtraction and multiplication, I explained what is word problem. But again I am telling you. What is word problem? Word problem is a mathematical problem where some important informations are given in a question and we have to find out the answer using those information. That means we have to read the question again and again to find out the given information, right? Okay. Next. When we solve a word problem, we need to follow 5 steps actually. Let's see what are they. Number 1, read the problem entirely. I said it a little bit ago that we have to read the question again and again so that we can find out the given informations because without them we cannot solve it. Number 2, to work in an organized manner. That means which line we should write first, we have to write that first and then we will write the next one. But if we do not follow the serial, if we do not try to solve it organizedly, we'll make a mess, we'll make mistakes. Number 3, to look for keywords. Keywords. Do you remember keywords? Yes. In addition, there are some keywords. In subtraction, there are some keywords. In multiplication, there are some keywords. Similarly, in division also, there are some keywords. We have to find out the keywords so that we can decide that what should we go for, addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. And then number 4, statement writing and calculating. Yes, in word problem we have to arrange a statement also. Without a statement, it's not a complete solution of a word problem. And calculating, we have to calculate properly. If we write the statement properly but we make mistake in the calculation, the solution will be taken as a wrong one. So we should be careful. And the last one, fifth one, that is answer writing. We have to write the answer properly. What is said in the question, we have to mention it in the answer portion. So, what are the keywords for division? Let's see. Divided by, equal groups, shared equally, each, divided into, and equal parts, etc. Here there are 6 keywords. There are more, but these are enough for our class. So we will not go further. Today we are going to solve 2 word problems from the chapter Division and page number 69. First of all, we are going to solve problem number 5. Let's see what's there in the question 5. Reza has taka 532. If an egg costs taka 7, how many can he buy and how much money remaining? Look what is said here. In the question, we can get 2 informations. Number 1, Rizal has taka 532, and number 2, 1 egg costs taka 7. And what we should find out? How many can he buy and how much money remaining? How much money remaining, we have to mention it also. So we will start the solution now. As it is said in the question that taka 7, 1 egg costs taka 7. So we are going to start from taka because we have to find out how many eggs he can buy. So as we know that which one we have to find out, we should write that one at the right side, and at the left side we are going to write the given information. Which information is already given, we have to write it at the left side as we know it, and we do not know which one we have to find out. That one should be at the right side. So we are going to write taka 7 is the price of 1 egg, and taka 532 is the price of. Then here we are going to show the division in bracket. 532 divided by 7 eggs. Here in this solution there is a question. Can you guess it? What is the question? No? Okay, I'm telling. Look here, we are dividing 532 by 7. Why with 7? Why not with 5, 6 or 8 or 9? Why? Why it is 7? Do you have any idea? Yes, because 7 is the price of 1 egg. As we have to find out that how many eggs can Reza buy, we have to divide the whole amount of taka by 7 taka. That's why we are dividing here by 7. Understood it? Got it? No? Okay, I'm telling it again. 532 is divided by 7 because 7 is the price of 1 egg. As we are told to find out that total how many eggs Reza can buy, that's why we are dividing the total amount. That means 532 taka. This total amount should be divided by the price of 1 egg, and then we can get out the result. We can find out the result that total how many eggs Reza can buy. Now clear? Okay. Then we have to show the rough work here. After doing the rough work, we will get the answer. And how much remains here? 0. So, we have to mention it. As in the question, it is already said that how much taka remains. So, if no taka remains, we have to mention it here. Okay? So, we will write 76 eggs and 0 taka remains. Then, we will write the answer. Reza can buy 76 eggs and no taka remains with him. If some of you want to write 0 taka remains with him, it's also okay. No means 0. As 0 has no value, as we know it, that when 0 is only 0, there is not any other number with 0. At the left side, there is nothing. So, 0 means nothing. 0 has no value. So, Reza can buy 76 eggs and no taka or 0 taka remains with him. Clear now? Have you understood? Okay, very good. Now, we are going to start our second problem. Let's read the question first. 1 year is 365 days. How many weeks and days does 1 year have? Look here. 1 year is 365 days. This is said. So, what are given here? 1 year is 365 days. And we have to find out how many weeks and days are there in 1 year. Only one information is given, right? 1 year is 365 days. And we have to find out total weeks and days in 1 year. Now let's see how to solve this problem. Look, first of all, we are writing here 1 week is equal to 7 days. Why we are writing it here? Yes, because 7 days make 1 week. As we know that 1 week is equal to 7 days, we have to write it. This information is not given in the question, but we have to show it. Remember it that you have to show all the informations in the solution. If you do not show all the informations in the solution, your solution will be taken as an incomplete one. So to make it complete, we have to show all the informations. And then look, we are writing here 7 days are there in 1 week. We are not writing 1 week is equal to 7 days. Why we are writing in this way? Yes. 7 days is equal to 1 week, we know it, and this is already given in the question that 365 days are there in 1 year. But how many weeks are there? This one is not given. We have to find out this one. So as I told you during the previous solution, when we are solving the previous one, I told you that we always write the given information at the left side, and which one we need to find out, which one we have to find out, that one we write at the right side. So as 7 days and 365 days, these two informations we already know, we are going to show them at the left side. So 7 days are there in 1 week and 365 days are there in, then we have to show the division, 365 divided by 7 week. Now here is a question, why we are dividing with 7? Why not with any other number? Yes, because 7 days make 1 week. As we have to find out that how many weeks are here, we have to divide by 7, but not with any other numbers. Then we have to show the rough work also. Show it. Do the division. 365 divided by 7. And then show it gradually. Some of you are so expert and you try to solve the whole problem at once. Do not do it, because division have some rules. What are they? Do you remember? Yes, we have to start it from the left side. When we will solve it, we have to start from the left side. And if the divisor is single digit, first we will try the single digit. If it is not divisible or it's smaller, then we have to take 2 digits, not all the digits. Then we have to go further gradually, not at once. Remember it always. If you try to solve it at once, it will be taken as a wrong one. Okay, now then we have to write the answer. 1 year has 52 weeks and 1 day. We have to mention it. Sometimes you show the answer a wrong one. Suppose some of you are writing 365 days. Baba, already this is given in the question. Why you will write it in the answer? We will not write it in the answer. We have to show it what it's wanting in the question. Okay. If it is said to show only weeks, we have to show only weeks. If it is said to show weeks and days, we have to show both. But we will not write extra anything what is not given in the question. Okay. So that's all. We already have solved it. Today we have solved 2 problems. And the funny thing is, in both of the problems we are dividing by 7. Have you marked it? Reza, when Reza went to buy eggs, how much is the price of 1 egg? 7 taka. Here, how many days are there in 1 week? 7 days. So, what we needed here? Times table, right? Yes. Without times table, it's totally impossible to solve the problems from multiplication or division. Again and again, I'm telling you that we have to memorize up to 9, from 2 up to 9 times tables. Because without knowing them, we cannot solve any problem from multiplication or division. And that's why, look, today's homework contains times table also. Write your homework. Today our homework number is 5. As our CW number is also 5, homework number is 5. And it's from page number 69. Problem number 3 and 4. And learn times table 12 and 13. Actually, you need not memorize them. Okay, sometimes you are trying to memorize them. No need to memorize. Just do multiplication by writing on the copy and find out the answer. If we are memorizing up to 9, that's enough. Okay, no need to memorize them. Just learn them how to find out the answers. Okay, so meet you on the next class. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Do not go outside. Okay, bye.